Hi guys, today I'm starting a series of videos on how to improve the performance of the engine and make the acceleration smoother. As soon as I take more videos on this topic, I'll add the links to those videos on the screen. So let's begin. It's an open secret that the mass airflow sensor cleaning is a regular maintenance procedure which helps to avoid many problems, but the majority of drivers ignore it in spite that it is so easy to do. So I'll show you my way of cleaning the mass airflow sensor of Jaguar X-type. Removing the mass airflow sensor is quite simple. Just unplug the connector and untighten two screws securing it. Be careful, do not shortcut the positive terminal of the battery situated nearby with a screwdriver. The number of mass airflow sensor of Jaguar X-type will be given in description below as usual. Now let's speak about the mass airflow sensor cleaner. It's better to get a special mass airflow sensor cleaner spray and clean the sensor with it. Never use any other cleaners such as a throttle cleaner or a brake pads cleaner because they consist of a thinner and it is very harmful to clean the MAF sensor with a thinner. The MAF sensor cleaner should be a pure isopropyl alcohol. As for me, I prefer to get that spirit itself and clean my MAF sensor with it. In case you haven't got an isopropyl alcohol, you can get a pure ethyl medical alcohol from the nearest pharmacy store and make use of it. First of all, I put the sensitive part of the sensor into the alcohol to soak for some 2 or 3 hours. After that, I take a medical syringe and spray an isopropyl alcohol first on the temperature sensor outside, then on the sensitive elements inside the MAF sensor itself. I repeated the procedure some 10 or 15 times. As you see, my MAF sensor is quite clean because I repeat this procedure from time to time, at least once a year. Cleaning the mass airflow sensor will help you keep a good air-to-fuel ratio and improve the performance of the engine. A dirty MAF sensor can cause your engine to experience poor acceleration, bad fuel economy, rough idling, difficult starts and black exhaust as a result of an excessive fuel consumption. Jaguar X-type MAF sensor has a wire-sensitive part inside and a temperature sensor outside. One shouldn't scrub these parts so that not to damage them. After you completed cleaning the sensor, it's better dry it with a hair fan. The isopropyl alcohol dries very quickly, some 3 minutes will be enough. Just don't install a wet sensor into the car. When the sensor was already clean and dry, I installed it and enjoyed driving my Jag. You will surely feel the difference, an improvement in acceleration. The dirtier the sensor have been before, the more improvement you will feel after cleaning it. Just don't forget to write about it in the comments. I'm also interested with your experience. And as always, just consider clicking like and subscribing to the channel. If you are still watching this video, I will give you a bonus, a piece of advice. I pour the remnants of an isopropyl alcohol into the fuel tank. I add isopropyl alcohol into the gas tank to get rid of water at least once or twice a year. It may be the easiest and the most available gasoline additive that dissolves water, and this mixture can be naturally burned into the engine.